You don't need Japanese to order sushi in Japan. Here's how it works. Kura Sushi in Japan. Tap once to start.
Would you like to play Bikkura Pon?
Bikkura Pon is fun bonus game. Scan the QR code to start. Tap English. That was easy. Here it comes.
Your order will arrive shortly.
Not into raw fish? No problem. Japanese people love teriyaki chicken. They even have Sukiyaki sushi. Here they come.
Your order will arrive shortly.
Sweet and savory sauce. Mayonnaise. Sukiyaki. Savory beef on sushi. Let's add some spice. And next, shrimp tempura. Let's try it with salt first. Next, I'll try it with ponzu, a citrus soy sauce. Next, my top pick, ramen. First, take the pepper. Don't put it back on the conveyor. Then open it here. Let's see. Look at that shine. Hick noodles. Nice and chewy. Tender pork. So soft. Soft-boiled egg. Look at that yolk. You can also play this game. Let's see. You get more chances on your phone. No luck. Finally, dessert. Matcha dango. Subtle sweetness, very nice. Now you know how to order at Kura Sushi. No Japanese needed. I'll show you more easy ways to enjoy Japan. Let me know what you want to see next.